Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study about the Indian scientists, the young Indian scientists who have let the name of the country go high, who had made the country proud by the inventions and the deep knowledge about this subject. These are the people who had somehow or with a lot of effort made the country proud as well as brought the country to the level where rest of the country or the best countries were. So without any delay, let's start with the class. Yes, so the first scientist that we are going to study about was a mathematician and an astronomer, invented zero and the number system. And the right answer for this is Aryabhat. He was the mathematician who has invented zero, and this was such a long time back now कि you can say he was one of the scientists, or he was only the scientist at that time who had such a deep knowledge about mathematics. The next one is, this mathematician made contribution to number of theories and infinite series. The right answer for this is Srinivas Ramanujan, and his main contribution was to the number theories and infinite series. He is remembered and honored for his research in maths. The next one is the biologist. This biologist researched the life of a plant. He is regarded as India's first modern scientist, and he is Jagdish Chandra Bose. Now you can see already we have already studied about the two scientists who are mathematician, but then Jagdish Chandra Bose was the only scientist who was there studying about biology, and in biology when we study about plant, then that is called botany. So he was only the scientist who has such a deep knowledge and you can say anxiety to know more about life of plant, and so he is the first modern scientist who researched for biology, who researched in his subject that was biology. Now let's move to the next one. Now this is a very famous name and face, as I suppose, because when I was child I was reading about him in my so many subjects in history and Hindi and English as a topic on him. So as suppose he is actually famous, all are famous, but I think he is the popular one. Yeah, that was the correct word. So this physicist won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on scattering of light, and the right answer is C.V. Raman. Now the next one is, the nuclear scientist founded Tata Institute of Foundation and Research. His name is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Homi Jahangir Bhabha had gone abroad for his studies, and when he came back, he found that India is like lacking in nuclear science, and he was there outside. When he was abroad, he saw the craze, the future of nuclear science. So when he came back to India, he met the Prime Minister, and he asked him and tried to finally convince him for the nuclear science. Then the next scientist is, the scientist set up the first rocket launching station to our country at Tumba, and his name is Vikram Sarabhai. Students, these all scientists had to struggle a lot to put their effort and convince the people or the countrymen that yes, we would be needing this kind of science very soon and we need to get ready. The next one is this nuclear scientist was associated in India's first nuclear test in 1974. Just see, first nuclear test in 1974. Such a proud moment for the country. And his name is Raja Ramanan. And the last one is this scientist is known as the Missile Man India, and he is APJ Abdul Kalam. He is known as Missile Man of India. He was the president, he was a scientist, and he was an author. He has written a book also. His life is a great inspiration to many of young people. He belonged to a very small place, that is Rameshwaram, where you will find nothing special, means nothing we nothing luxurious there. We all are found during this COVID situation, pandemic, we are staying at home, we are unable to move out, visit to mall and see movies and all. But when you will visit Rameshwaram, you will find nothing of such kind as there. It's a very small place, small, peaceful, and a nice place. And APJ Abdul Kalam has studied and worked very hard to reach the heights where he was. So students, with this we come to an end. And say, I hope you are able to note the right answer. Yes, so till the next video, have a good day and take care of yourself, all of you. Thank you.